Verkada cameras came out with a new product called the Command Connector that allows the feed from our traffic cameras to process through one of their devices to make it so we can search that feed.
Command Connector, the on-ramp to our unified cloud-based system. Command Connector bridges non-Verkada cameras to Command and delivers many of the same unique features that our existing customers receive. Tap into advanced analytics like person or vehicle attribute searching, face searching, and even our AI-powered search with free-form text.